Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. It is going to be a PR haul and unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my packages from the week and then we open them together so we can see some of the new makeup launches. If you guys are ready to go ahead and get started with some of these boxes, let's get into it. Here came over from Persona, and I'm so excited because I think I know what this is. This is their brand new lipstick. So they released 3 new liquid lipsticks. Absolutely love the brand Persona. They have their Cali Glow highlighters that I adore, and then also their Identity palette, which is such a good eyeshadow palette, you guys. I've been recommending it for so long. And they came out with liquid lipsticks. So we have 3 different shades of liquid lipstick. So we have Holy Grail, OG, and then Flamingo. These are $16 each and they are available at Ulta, and I actually almost picked one of these up the other day, so it's so funny that I got them in the mail. So I'm gonna show you guys them. So here is the first one here. I really like the packaging. It's very just like luxe, you know? It's very classic. So this one is the OG color, and let me go ahead and show you guys a swatch. Oh, this formula feels like it's going to be so nice. So here is a swatch of OG. So I'm going to show you guys the other 2 shades. So we have Flamingo, and this is the shade that I am most interested in because this is like my kind of color. This is the one that I was wanting to pick up. So let me show you guys a swatch. So pretty. It's like a very mauve pink shade. There is that one. And then the very last one is the red shade. So this one is Holy Grail. And it looks like it's going to be a really nice, like, classic red. I've been loving the red lip lately. Ooh, wow, this one is pretty. Okay, so there are all 3 shades of the Persona liquid lipsticks. I am seriously so excited to try these out on the lips. Thank you to the team at Persona for sending them over to me. So the next box came over from the Balm. How cute is this, you guys? It says Treat Yourself Cult Classics, and then when you open it up, it is a humongous package filled with all of their classic favorite products. Here is the inside of the box. Look at how many things there are in here. So there are some of my favorites, like I was telling you guys, the Mary Luminizer, one of my absolute favorites of all time. I also love the Bahama Mama bronzer that's in here. Another one of my favorites, you guys have heard me talk about this a lot, is the Schwing eyeliner from them. It's my favorite eyeliner ever. So excited to have a restock on that. We have a couple different mascaras in here, the Mad Lash mascara and then also the Scuba waterproof mascara. And what is this? I'm not sure what this one is. This is an eye candy, oh, an eyelid primer. Okay, I haven't tried that one out. And then we also have a couple palettes in here, which I'm excited about. I actually don't own either one of these, so this has me really excited. So we have the Nude Tude palette. Let me open this up for you guys. They have the cutest packaging ever. Look at how cute this is. And then here is the inside of the palette. That's really pretty. And then we also have the Meet Matte Matrimony palette as well. So let me go ahead and show you guys this one. Here is the inside of that one. Super pretty, really mauve shades. Love that. And then we also have in here a bunch of their Meet Matte Hues liquid lips. Absolutely love the formula of these. They're some of my favorite formulas. So we have a bunch of different shades of those. So we have the Cabana Boy, the Balm Beach, and then also Hot Mama. And I'm just so pumped about this package. And then also in here, there was a 15% off for you guys. This isn't an affiliate code or anything, but you can actually save 15% on the Balm if you use the code makeupmolly. So that is really awesome that they included this for you guys. So if you want to try out any of their cult favorites, thank you to the Balm for sending this over. I'm excited to have some of those eyeshadows and also a few restocks on some of my favorite products. So this next box I'm getting into came over from Doll 10, and we have a couple of different products in here, and I think this is their new Master eyeshadow palette. I am so pumped about this one. This is such a pretty palette. I've been seeing them using it on their stories. I love the outer packaging too, super cute. And I will show you guys the inside. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So here is the inside of the palette. I actually really like the pans. There's a lot of pans in there. And then it has a little brush inside as well, a dual-sided brush. And then also in here, there is their eyeliner. So this is their 2-point eyeliner. So we have a liquid, like a finer point on one side, and then a little bit of a thicker one on the other side. I love how sleek the palette is. Like, it's so thin, and then also has a nice mirror on the inside. And then here are the swatches that I did go ahead and swatch. They look really nice and really pigmented. So I'm excited about this one. I'm also excited that it came with a brush as well. I will have this palette linked down below. The next package I want to share with you guys came over from Clove and Hallow, and it says, Molly, we're so excited for you to try our new launches and hope you are too. Please enjoy these new products and feel free to share your special 10% off code to your followers. And the code is MM18. So if you guys want to save some money on Clove and Hallow's products, I don't know what's all in here, so let's see. Ooh, looks like a liquid highlighter. This is the Hydro Glow. So here's what that looks like. Let me go ahead and swatch this. I love anything glowy, so I'm excited to see. I'm just gonna drop a little bit because I don't know how pigmented this is. But here's what the little drop looks like. Let me go ahead and blend it out. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, wow, that's really pigmented. Do you see how glowy that is? That's a pretty color too. It's kind of like a pearly pink color. And then we also have from them a bronzer. So this is in Cabo. I've never tried their bronzers. I'm assuming these are new as well. So let me swatch this. Ooh, that's a pretty color. This is like my perfect bronzing shade. There it is right there. So I just found the sheet inside the box that has some info on the product. So the bronzer is gonna come in 3 different shades, and then the Glow, Hydro Glow, has 2 different shades. And then we also have this last product, which is the Hydro Tint. And I'm actually excited about this. So this comes in 4 different shades, and it says that it is a lightweight blush serum that has hyaluronic acid to seamlessly blend atop bare skin or the complexion base. And here's what it looks like. It kind of looks like a nail polish bottle, and this one is in the shade Georgia. So the brush on it is very similar to like a nail polish too, so that's kind of cool and different. And then I went ahead and I swatched it as well. So there is a swatch of it, and I want to blend it out. Oh, okay, so it blends out really like sheer and really nice, so it won't be like too powering, which is what I worry about with the cream blushes. But that looks really nice. Kind of smells good too, like it has a little bit of a scent to it. So I'm excited about these products from Clove and Hallow. Thank you guys so much for sending those over. I can't wait to try them all out. So in the next box, I have a couple goodies from Too Faced. So I have the Hangover RX 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And then I also have the face primer from them. If you guys watched my Ulta haul, I got a little sample of this, guy. I said I was excited to try the sample. So now I have a full size, so hopefully I like that. And then we also have the setting spray, which I've also never tried. So this can be used as a prepping spray or as a setting spray. This is an intense package. Look at how big this is. Like, that's a pretty big spray. I'm kind of excited. I want to spray it. Okay. Whew. It has a good scent. That smells really good. But it kind of has like a little, like when you sprayed it, you know, it was like, whew, like it's an intense spray. But it smells so good. Oh my gosh, what does that even smell like? Kind of smells like coconut. So good. I love the smell of their products. So this is exciting. And then also the primer I will try out as well. So thank you to Too Faced for sending those to me. The next box I'm gonna open came over from Patchology. So it says, Molly, let's clear things up, ... This trio of acne clears patches, erases blemishes, and unclogs pores in a few hours. Enjoy. So I am so excited. I saw that they were releasing this, and this is just what I need in my life. So, oh, what a cute package. So I just opened this up, and this is such a cute idea, you guys. This is called the Breakout Box, which is such a cute name for it. And we have 3 different products inside. So we have the Blackhead Eliminating Nose Strips. I love nose strips. We use them all the time in my house. And then we also have the Whitehead Absorbing Dots. And then we also have the Pimple Shrinking Acid Dots. So lots of different products that you can put on your face to help clear your skin, which is awesome. Love that it's all in one set. And then inside of here, there is also a Dream Hydration. Ooh, step up your hydration factor without loading your face with lots of moisturizing products by plugging in a humidifier overnight. Oh, cool. So this is like a little humidifier that we can put by our bed. It looks like it has a little charger here as well. So that's awesome. I actually don't have one of those, so that's really cool. And then we have a couple different things in here as well. So this is a protein, okay, so we have a protein bar, and then also this is a protein peanut butter, I guess. So like a little thing of peanut butter, and then a soothing caramel bedtime tea. That sounds delicious. What a cute little package. All of the essentials for nighttime. I will definitely be trying these out and I'll let you guys know what I think of them. I am a huge fan of nose strips like I was saying, so that's definitely something that's on my radar that I want to try. So thank you, Patchology, for sending those to me. So the next package, I got so excited about this one. I had to open it early because I was so excited about it. But this came over from MAC, and look what they sent over. Is this not so cool? So this is their entire line of their brand new concealer. So this is the MAC Studio Fix Concealer. It's actually called the 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. And they sent over all of these shades of it. I actually stole a couple out already because I've been already trying it out so I can review it for you guys. But there is a ton of shades in here, so when I do the video, I will be able to swatch them all for you, which is awesome. So we have two different contour palettes as well. So we have this one here, which is the light to medium contour palette. And then we have this one, which is the medium to dark palette. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the medium one here for you guys. This is going to be a powder contour kit, and I'm excited about this. Here are a few swatches from it. I'm really excited. I don't have a contour kit from MAC, and I love the idea that everything's all in one. I also really like the packaging. I think that's really cool. Both the concealer and the contour palettes will be available on September 6th, and the contour palette's gonna be $39.50, and then the concealers are $21, and there is 33 shades to the concealer, so that is awesome. I will be doing a review on these next week for you guys, so stay on the lookout for that. All right, and we have one last box to get into here. This came over from Profusion, and I'm assuming these are all going to be individually wrapped because that is the way Profusion does things. But let's see. Ooh, we got some stickers, like some little tattoo stickers. So it says on the little sheet here that this is going to be their Endless Summer. Ooh, an Endless Summer collection. So we have a Beauty Superstars palette, and then also a Pro Pigment palette. So let me go ahead and open these up for you guys. All right, so I got everything open. Look at this packaging. I love this. It's like holographic. So fun. So this is the Beauty Superstars 23-piece collection. I'm excited to see this one. It looks awesome. So the inside we have an eyeshadow palette in the middle. It looks like we have a blush on the side, bronzer, highlight, and then we also have a glitter here it looks like, and then an eyeliner and also a brush in here. So let me go ahead and swatch some of these for you. I feel like that was a little difficult, like you had to take off this whole packaging here, so you're gonna wanna keep that part because that's the only part that's gonna like protect your products. But let me do a couple swatches. So let me swatch. This blue shade is the first one I wanted to swatch. Ooh, that looks pretty. So there is that shade. Let me swatch a couple more for you guys. This would be a really good set for you guys to get for like a Christmas gift or something. Look at those shades. Those foils are so pretty. And then you also have the other face shades and everything in here. This is a cute set, and this one is only $9.99. So that would be like a perfect little gift to get for your friend for the holidays. And then we also have this little lip trio. So it's lips to go. It has a matte lip cream, a matte lip liner, and then also a sparkling lip topper in there. So a good little lip set. And then we have the Pro Pigment eyeshadow palette. This looks so pretty. I'm so excited about this one. I love their last one I got from them, the Sienna palette. It's so pretty. So here is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. I'm loving the vibes of this. Those pinks are so pretty. So let me swatch a couple of these for you guys. I was so impressed with the Sienna palette, like I was saying. I've used it quite a few times now. And here are a few of the swatches from this palette. Look at how gorgeous. And then we have a couple mattes as well. So let me swatch some of the mattes here. I'm really interested in this pink one. It looks really fun. Okay, that one's really pigmented. So there's the pink one, and then I put a matte one there at the bottom as well. I'm so excited about these. I love the packaging too, like I said. Profusion is one of those brands that I feel like gets really overlooked. So super good products for an affordable price. I will have them linked down below. You can also find them at your local Target. And after that, that is going to do it for this week's PR haul and unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of these new makeup products. Let me know down in the comment section what product you guys are most excited about. If you want to see a first impressions or a review on anything that I did mention in today's video. Thank you to the brands for sending over these products to me. Also, thank you to you guys for making these videos possible. Do not forget to like and subscribe before you guys go, and I will see you in Monday's video. Bye.